Hello, I'm Robert. I'm professor at the Technical University of Munich and CEO of the Munich Quantum Software Company. Our team develops software for quantum computing, and we are here currently in Albuquerque for Quantum Week, where we present our latest methods and tools. In this short video, we're giving you an impression of what we're presenting here at this conference. Have fun.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I develop compilers for trapped ion quantum computers. This year at Quantum Week I presented our newest feature of supporting multiple processing zones outside of the memory zone.
Hi, I'm Toby and I have two contributions here at IEEE Quantum Week. I generally work on using resource estimation to help end users perform fault-tolerant quantum computing. The first contribution states if we can use current optimization techniques for fault-tolerant quantum computing or if we have to start from scratch. The second one helps improving fault-tolerant resource requirements by redistributing error budgets in order to perform more efficient computations.
Hi, I'm Damian and I help you find bugs in quantum programs. But quantum computing is hard and debugging it is even harder. So in my work, I present ways to help you automate the process so you can find more bugs in less time.
And by the way, this work was awarded with the Best Paper Award.
Hi, I'm Laura. I'm working on lattice surgery compilation, which means that we want to map a logical circuit onto some 2D architecture. Most research in this field is done with the surface code. However, there are a lot of different codes out there, and what we did is that we considered lattice surgery compilation with other codes beyond the surface code, as for example the color code.
Hi, I'm Aaron Sander. I work in quantum simulation, and I presented this week our paper on large-scale stochastic simulation of open quantum systems. So if you're having trouble simulating noisy systems, then feel free to check out what we're working on.
If you want to learn more about the methods that have just been presented, they're all freely and openly available as part of the Munich Quantum Toolkit. I'm Lucas, I'm the main maintainer behind that toolkit, and feel free to check it out. Beyond that, we are actively working together with partners from the Munich Quantum Valley on integrating all of these into a common software stack for quantum computing. If you want to learn more about this, check out the website and make sure to check out our new preprints.
Besides that, we contributed to and organized several workshops, technical meetings and panels. Together with the Munich Quantum Valley, we also had a booth at the exhibition. Most importantly, we had numerous exchanges with the community, talked about best practices, technical challenges, and plans for the future. Kudos to the team and the entire Munich Quantum ecosystem. And many thanks to the Quantum Week community for a fantastic week. If you want to stay in touch, follow us on LinkedIn. Besides that, we're looking forward to seeing you all in the future again.